Okay, children. So, first of all, yesterday we have learned how chlorine gas is prepared. Okay. Actually, the technique was only one only. Just we were oxidizing the chloride anions by different oxidizing agents. And then finally, we gave one credit to Decons. So what he did? So he reacted with oxygen. So oxygen is also highly electronegative. But the catalyst which was used is very important. That catalyst was cupric chloride, CuCl2. Okay. Next is regarding properties. So we told that it is reacting with metals as well as non-metals. Okay. So you can react with metals. So you can show examples of sodium, magnesium, aluminum with non-metal, phosphorus, sulfur. Okay. And then we told that it has strong affinity towards hydrogen. So wherever some hydrogen compounds are there, if you react with chlorine, it will absorb all hydrogen from there and remain that other element, in which was in the compound in elemental form. And now we will discuss the remaining reactions. Okay, children. So let me see what are the sir, CuCl2 having vacant d orbital for O. Okay, CuCl2. Yes, CuCl2. Not Cu plus, but CuCl2 has d orbitals. Next. Reaction of chlorine with ammonia. Reaction of chlorine with ammonia. Okay. So let us divide this reaction in two parts. One is NH3 in excess, and the NH3, okay, NH3 not in excess, okay, or we can use Cl2 is in excess. We can use Cl2 in excess. Okay, children. So let us see the reaction. NH3 plus Cl2. NH3 is in excess. Okay. Excess. So when you write the product, please be aware that NH3 is excess or chlorine is excess. Okay, when NH3 will be excess, so this type of products will be formed. Ammonium chloride. Okay, and here N minus 3 is present. N minus 3. So it can, okay, work out as oxidizing agent. Okay, children. So see, ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride means it is in plus form and it is in form minus form. So definitely, who has given electron to the Cl? Cl don't have electron now. So this electron has taken from nitride ion, which are present in, which are okay, which are present in ammonia. So you know, in ammonia, this is in plus form, and this is in -3 form. So they have taken electron. So the remaining nitrogen who has given electron will be converted into nitrogen gas. So this is a beautiful equation you have to learn. So what happens when ammonia is in excess and reacts with chlorine? So nitrogen gas is formed, okay, and Cl is converted into chloride form, and some of the nitrogen is left in the form of ammonium, okay, ammonium. See, whose nitrogen has been taken out, whose nitrogen, ammonia, in ammonia whose nitrogen is taken out, at that case H plus is extra, so that H plus will be accepted, by NH3, okay, and it will become NH4 plus. So these all are story about this particular reaction. Remember each and everything, okay. What about this reaction when chlorine is in excess? Okay, children, what will be done when chlorine is in excess? So as you know that the behavior of chlorine is to absorb hydrogen, okay. So if chlorine is in excess, okay, it will absorb hydrogen and it will form HCl, and normal nitrogen will be converted into NCl3, because Cl can form bond with nitrogen also, nitrogen trichloride, isn't it? Nitrogen trichloride. Okay, this is explosive compound also, explosive, nitrogen trichloride. Is that clear? So this reaction is about ammonia, okay. So it depends upon the reagent which is in excess, and accordingly we have to solve the problem, children. If chlorine is excess, okay, then what will happen? So this type of product are going to be formed. Okay, next. So yesterday, did you remember, we had some important anions, OCl minus, okay, OCl minus या ClO minus, then ClO2 minus, ClO3 minus, ClO4 minus, and all. Okay. Did you remember the name? The name is, see, this name is chlorate, and this name is chloride. This is known as hypochlorite, and this is known as perchlorate. So, and today we will also learn that you told no, chlorine is poisonous gas, then why we are using as sanitizer and all, okay, that also we have to discuss, okay. So now the next reaction, okay, we have to do with NaOH. Reaction with NaOH. Reaction with NaOH. Sir, please explain again. My network got lost for excess NH3. Okay. I'll explain it. And I'll scroll also. See here. See, when ammonia is in excess, children, so more molecules are there, NH3 molecules. So what happens? This compound is formed, ammonium chloride and nitrogen gas. So I gave you a small explanation how these compounds are formed. Cl2 zero is there. So here it became anion. It is an anion. It means someone has given electron to it. So from where he has got electron. Okay. So hydrogen will not give because hydrogen already is in plus form. So he has received, chlorine is received electron from nitride N-3. So N-3 has given electron and become N and he lost electrons. So that electron is received by chlorine. Okay, received by chlorine. Okay, received by chlorine and became chloride. And because chloride is there and H plus also there, because nitride when it is removed, then enough H plus are there, children. Enough H plus are there. These H plus will react with NH3, remaining NH3. There are crores and crores molecules of NH3. So some are losing N in this form, okay, and converted into nitrogen gas, and some of them are reacting with H plus to form ammonium. So ammonium chloride is formed and nitrogen gas is formed. Did you understand, children? Is it okay, Roy? Is it okay, Roy? Yes, sir, right. Now I am reaction with NaOH. NaOH. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay. So in sodium hydroxide also, children, we have to take care. Again, two parts are there. Okay. Reaction of NaOH with what? Chlorine. So it depends upon the condition. Cold and dilute or hot and concentrated. Depend upon the situation. Okay, children. So let us see what happens. So you have to pay attention whether they have asked for cold and dilute or concentrated and hot. Cold and dilute and concentrated or hot. Okay, so let us start with cold and dilute one. Okay, children. So see, this is the reaction. Chlorine gas with NaOH. NaOH exactly found in solid form only. NaOH. Slippery white color granules are there. They are slippery. Okay. So water should be there. So water is present. That is understood. NaOH means water is there. So when they react, okay, cold and dilute, then what is going to form, children? So these are the products, children, we have to know. Okay. First of all, NaOH is there, okay, and water is there. So did you remember? What did you remember? here I will tell you what did you remember. Memory. Chlorine plus water. Chlorine plus water will give you. Did you remember when I taught you? Okay, when I was comparing the oxidation nature of halogen with water. When I was comparing the oxidizing power of halogen with water. Did you remember? Yes, yes, very nice, very nice. Children, let me do some formalities. Please, I will take your 1 minute. Till then, you can complete your reaction also. I have to make the, means my adopted list. I want confirmation. Sarvajit Jana, are you present? Sarvajit Jana. Sarvajit Jana. Yes or no? Sarvajit Jana. Sarvajit Jana, raise your hand. Ghatak. They are very... Children, one notice is there. Wherever you find these students, okay, one is Sarabjit Jana and one is Ghatak, another is Raunak, and one is Devo Malya, and fifth one is Soren, and one is Raj Nandini. Please, student, please respond. You can tell me you all are unmuted. Arey, stop. Oh my God, you are so busy. Okay. Jana, Sarabjit Jana, are you present? Raise your hand. Absent. Ghatak. 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 This Ghatak is really Ghatak for me. Raunak. Raunak. My God. They all are in my adopt. Devo Malya. Raunak Kumar is there. Okay, sorry. Raunak Kumar is present today. Raunak Kumar is present. Devo Malya. Devo Malya is not present today. Soren. Soren is not there. Raj Nandini. Raj Nandini. Oh my God, help me. Help me, help me. What should I do? Why they are doing? हाँ सरबजीत जाना. हाँ सर क्लास में नहीं है वो. नहीं है सर. हम तो कितना बोल रहे हैं, रेस्पॉन्ड भी नहीं कर रहा. मैं तो नाम भी बोल रहा हूँ. सरबजीत जाना. हाँ तो आप हाथ क्यों नहीं उठा रहे हैं? मैं तो बार बार बोल रहा हूँ आपको. यू हैव टू रेस्पॉन्ड. हाँ रेस्पॉन्ड, अच्छा ठीक है, रेस्पॉन्ड करिए, जल्दी से रेस्पॉन्ड करिए, जस्ट रेज योर हैंड। हाँ ओके, या आई गॉट इट, गॉट इट। सो सरबजीत जाना इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट, सरबजीत जाना, ओके। हाँ, are you in class? Why you are not in class? Please join immediately. It is very urgent. Hello? Are नहीं, okay, please at least join first. Join it, then you start eating. Please, please, it's my request, humble request. Okay. Okay. Next is, so Ghatak is coming. We are waiting. Ronak Debo Malya. Oh my God. Why they are doing so many things? Soren, are you present? Soren, raise your hand. Soren. Soren, are you there? Please raise your hand. Soren. Rajnandini. Debo Malya. Rajnandini. Debo Malya is present. Nice. Thank you, beta. Thank you. I am calling from so many. I know. Hello. Rajnandini, you are not in class. Raise your hand. I am calling you from so many means. Hello, raise your hand. Yeah, okay, okay. So you should respond. No, I am calling from last 5-10 minutes. Okay, anyhow, thank you very much. So, okay, children, sorry for interruption once again, but these are some positions. So, see children, what is the time? Time is over. Do you have any another class now, children? Please raise your hand if you have another classes. If you are free, I can continue, children. Shall I continue? Minister Roy, shall I continue or do you have any another class?
Sir, I have another class from 3 p.m. actually.
3. Okay, at least 5 minutes we can continue. Okay, so see
Okay,
children.
sir.
So this is the reaction is going to be happen. HOCl. Okay, and what we got? HCl. Okay, so here with the reaction, the water was there, no? So we got HOCl plus HCl with water. Okay, and you know this is acid and this is acid. So again they will react with base, and if they react with base, children, what you will get? You know, you will get NaOCl. Okay, and this HCl will be converted into NaCl. This is the product. In book they have not, they have missed this one. They have given directly. And what is the name? So your name is known to you, sodium, and see here OCl minus, yeah, ClO minus is known as hypochlorite. So hypochlorite, sodium hypochlorite, children, its name is, and this is normal NaCl. And do you know, children, interesting part, this sodium hypochlorite or HOCl, okay, for after some time, after nearly some 2 minutes or 5 minutes, they are converted into HCl and this nascent oxygen. Okay, children, nascent oxygen, and this nascent oxygen, okay, require electron easily. So if any electron is there, if any electron is there, or any bacteria is there, or any virus is there, or any corona is there, okay, so whatever the electrons are present on this type of system, they will easily absorb and become O-2. So once the electron is taken from coronavirus or any another virus or any bacteria or any electron system, okay, so they will be converted into oxide, and once the electron is removed from there, they automatically kills, they are automatically damaged. Okay, children. So in this way, they are acting like disinfectant. So chlorine directly does not play important role, okay, because chlorine is poisonous gas, but they react with water and they produce nascent oxygen, which acts like an disinfectant. Not only disinfectant, this nascent oxygen works like oxidizing agent, bleaching agent. It is acting like bleaching agent. When you apply on colorful compounds, they will decolorize this. So oxidizing agent, bleaching agent, and disinfectant. So please you remember these things. And now what about hot and concentrated, children? So hot and concentrated means the reaction will be like this. When NaOH is heated and it is highly concentrated, and when it allowed to react with water, chlorine, see, it will give you, okay, NaClO3. Children, ClO3 minus, you know what is ClO3 minus? It is chlorate. So it will give you sodium chlorate, NaCl, and whatever the things remaining is water. Did you understand? So sodium chlorate, we will get actually chloric acid. We will get chloric acid, but again base is present, so they are converted into salt, sodium chlorate, and NaCl and water. So this is when they are in hot condition. Okay, children. Same reaction you have to do, okay, with chlorine with calcium hydroxide. Come on, do this reaction, and we will then end calcium hydroxide. Okay, cold and dilute. What will happen? Tell me. So calcium OCl. hypochlorite. Okay, and then calcium chloride will be formed, and then water is going to be formed with calcium hydroxide, cold and dilute. Okay, so children, when we receive this type of compound, so make a note of this, that mixture of, okay, mixture of calcium hypochlorite plus calcium chloride plus calcium hydroxide plus 2 molecules of water. This total mixture, okay, is known as bleaching powder. Okay, in that the most important one is this one, because this is hypochlorite, it will give hypochlorous, and hypochlorous will give you nascent oxygen, and this nascent oxygen will play oxidizing agent, bleaching agent, disinfectant. They will kill all virus, bacteria, everything. That's why it is used for sanitizing purpose. Chlorine is not directly doing this one. They are doing through nascent oxygen, children. So again some reaction left, so we'll discuss it. We'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay, children. Okay, children. Bye bye everybody. Thank you. It's very high time. Bye everybody. Sir, why does the H plus go? Where does the H plus go, sir? And hot and concentrated get NaClO3. Why? Means if you heat it, more energy will be removed from chlorine, children. ClO3 minus, you know, it is excited. That's why I told you there are so many excited cases. Okay, ground state, first excited state, second, third, like this. So when they are hot, means they are getting energy, and they are getting excited. And if they are excited, they will form such type of anions. Did you understand? Did you understand, Roy? Okay. And what was your next question? Where H plus go? In which case H plus will go? In which case? H plus will go cold and dilute. Cold and dilute. Cold and dilute, children. See, they are in solid form. It is already known that they are actually the actual reaction with water only. Actual reaction with water only, children. Okay, HOCl. Okay, and see, and water is going to be formed. Whatever the H plus will be there. Okay, so you know from basic, children, acid plus base gives you salt and water. So whatever the H plus of acid is converted into water. Did you understand, children? Did you understand? Did you understand? It is an acid base reaction. Yes, sir, I got the point. Now it is clear, no? Yeah. Okay. Okay, children. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Yeah. Bye, bye. Bye, bye, Hers. Bye, everybody.